Waking up early is one big task. But I'm getting there. My way.
My way is all about taking small steps.
First thing to know is the most obvious and ignored. How do you know what works for you? You can try everything there is, or you can get assessed.
After my assessment, I get a personalized diet plan. What do I mean by personalized? Well, based on my preferences and eating habits, I get to choose from over 250 diet plans put together by a nutritional expert. Simple, right?
Once knowing what I should be eating, I'm advised what I should be doing. But more importantly, what I should not be doing. Not just in the morning, throughout the day. So it's like a routine that follows me all the time.
I know what I should be doing, but a goal motivates me to do it every single day.
Setting a goal is very easy. Sticking to it, now that is the toughest task. So whenever I lose track of what needs to be done, this tracker comes handy. This band tracks my steps, my sleep, my muscle mass, body fat, calories at a simple press of a button. But most importantly, I know who is ahead of me in this fitness battle. So I don't take it easy.
You can keep a track of everything. But who doesn't get tempted, right? A little digital help at the oddest of times can stop me from getting distracted.
And when I don't know what to do, I reach out to my expert. And knowing that you're not alone,
Makes everything achievable.
my program understands me.
And my program fits perfectly into my lifestyle. I'm guessing you want to know.
What it is? It's
It's
Wow
Wow
by
by
Nutrilite.
Nutrilite.